we're going to look at a question under calculus, foundational mathematics, which says evaluate the integral of x multiplied by sine x, then with respect to x. So this is what we need to evaluate. All right, so it's very easy. Okay, so you can start, there are two parts here, part 1 and part 2. So we integrate by parts. So the function that you can easily differentiate, you make it u. All right, so we say let u be equal to x, and whatever that remains, including the dx, is your dv. So to get du, all right, you just differentiate this, which is 1 dx. To get v, integrate this. So if you integrate this, you get v. What is the integral of sine x? It's negative cos x. All right, so this is your v. Is it making sense? Oh, x there. Now you use now the integration by part formula. U dv is equal to uv minus v du. So this part retains the actual function, which is x sine x dx. So we can just proceed where it says u. Our u is x. Okay, our u is x. Then our v is negative cos x minus integral of our v is negative cos x. Then our du is 1 dx, which is just dx, right? All right, so having that in mind, so we have negative x cos x. This negative can come out to give us plus 1, all right? Then we have cos x dx. We can still integrate this part there, which is just a direct part now. So we have negative x cos x plus, what is the integral of cos x? It's sine x. So this becomes the final answer. We can now conclude and say, therefore, the integral of sine x with respect to x is equal to negative x cos x plus sine x plus c. Because this is an indefinite integral, you add the constant of integration. Just like that. You are done.